Let's see how to add an issue in Simply Fleet on the web. In Simply Fleet, you can add an issue either as an admin on the web or as a driver from the mobile app. Let's start as an admin on the web. Go to the Issues tab and click on Add Issue. Select the vehicle from the drop-down. Enter the odometer reading. Then type the issue name. Then type the issue description. Add comments and choose the priority. If the vehicle is out of service, mark it as out of service. Now click Save. The issue status will be set to Open. To update or track it, click on the issue and then click Edit. You can also create a work order from here. We'll cover that in another video. In the next video, we'll show you how a driver can add an issue from the mobile app. So subscribe to our channel now. Try it yourself today.